Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your e-scooter to your phone. First, download the official e-scooter application from your phone's app store. Next, ensure your e-scooter is powered on and fully charged for optimal connection. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone to allow device discovery. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth pairing experience, allowing you to unlock all the smart features your scooter offers, enhancing your ride with valuable data and controls. Once the app is installed and your scooter is ready, open the e-scooter application and navigate to the Add Device or Connect Scooter section. The app will then scan for nearby e-scooters using Bluetooth technology, typically within a range of 10 meters. From the list of discovered devices, select your specific e-scooter model. This step establishes the initial digital handshake between your phone and your personal mobility device. After selecting your scooter, you may need to confirm the pairing request on both your phone and, if prompted, on the e-scooter's display. Once successfully connected, you can access a wealth of features, including real-time battery level, current speed, and detailed ride statistics. You can also customize settings such as riding modes, cruise control, and regenerative braking, giving you full command over your journey. If you encounter any issues during the connection process, don't worry. First, try restarting both your phone and the e-scooter. Also, ensure your phone's operating system and the e-scooter application are updated to their latest versions. Finally, check for any physical obstructions or excessive distance, ideally keeping your phone within 5 to 10 feet of the scooter. These simple steps often resolve most common pairing problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.